Before they met at Potsdam to sign a treaty to save the world, they had to get on a plane.
This has been one of the great days of America.
Before a dream moved a nation.
Time for a great new American enterprise.
And before a president inspired a generation, they had to fly there.
One giant leap for mankind.
Before Apollo 11 launched to the moon, the astronauts had to fly their jets into Cape Canaveral. The one thing the world's most important moments have in common: you had to fly. The world demands aviation for the history books and for our own stories. And the one thing all of those flights had in common: they needed a great mechanic. And great mechanics get their start at AIM, Aviation Institute of Maintenance. Join the ranks at fixjets.com.